South Sea Shuffle is a four-wall dance. We're going to start with a forward rock with the right. So you rock forward onto the right and recover onto the left. You look over your right shoulder and we're travelling to the back wall with what we call a half shuffle. So we're stepping right, together, right, as we look over our right shoulder and come to 6 o'clock. Okay, so as you know, a shuffle in any direction is a step, close, step. So if we're going to shuffle to the side, it's a step, close, step. If we were shuffling forward, step, close, step. On the diagonal, step, close, step. And it's the same thing when you do a turning shuffle, you're going to step, step, close, step. Okay, so it's exactly the same. No matter how you're shuffling, it's always step, close, step. And in this case, we're leading with the right. So we're stepping right, close, right. So I'll do that again. Forward rock on the right. So rock forward onto the right, recover onto the left, then step right, close, right to get to the back wall. Okay, and your timing, your rock is on whole counts. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. When we come round here, we're going to mirror that. So this time we rock forward onto the left, recover onto the right, look over your left shoulder and step left, close left to go back to 12 o'clock. Left, close left. Okay, so let's put that together. Forward rock on the right, facing 12. Ready? And forward rock, right, close right, forward rock, left, close left. And now you've got the weight forward on the left. Okay, let's do that again. Ready? And forward rock, right, close right, forward rock, left, close left. Okay, let's do that again. Forward rock, ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. When you come back round to the front, you're going to go into a V step, leading with the right, stepping out, out, in, weight in the left, and then another V step, out, out, in. Okay? So 2 V steps, leading with the right, ready, and out, out, in, out, out, in. Weights in the left. Let's add that on from the beginning. Forward rock on the right and a half shuffle. Ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V step, out, out, in, out, out, in. From here, we make a grapevine with a touch to the right. Side, behind, side, touch. We are going to almost mirror that to the left, but we're going to put a little quarter turn in our grapevine to move to our new wall, which is wall to our left, which is 9 o'clock. So grapevine with a side, behind, quarter turn, touch. Okay, so let's put those 2 grapevines together. Grapevine to the right, ready, and side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch. Let's add that on from the beginning. Forward rock, leading with the right, ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V steps, out, out, in, out, out, in. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch. When you get round to 9 o'clock, we've just done a touch with the right. We're going to do a chassé back rock to the right, side, close, side, back, rock, and to the left, side, close, side, back, rock. Okay, so we take it from the grapevines, grapevine to the right, ready, and side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock. Now we'll take it from the top, forward rock, leading with the right, ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V steps, out, out, in, out, out, in, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock. And that's the end of the routine. Now let's dance our second wall. This dance travels in an anti-clockwise direction, so wall 2 faces 9 o'clock. So facing 9 o'clock, going to do a forward rock on the right, look over your right shoulder as you do a half shuffle to 3 o'clock. Ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V steps, out, out, in, out, out, in, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock. Now for wall 3, so you're facing 6 o'clock, forward rock on the right, and a right shuffle, turning over your right shoulder to 12 o'clock. Ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V steps, out, out, in, out, out, in, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock. Now our last wall, wall 4, facing 3 o'clock. Forward rock and a half shuffle. Ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V steps, out, out, in, out, out, in, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock. Now we're going to practice linking the end with the beginning. So, at the end of the dance, you finish with a chasse back rock to the left. So you're having side, close, side, back, rock. The weight's landed on the left. You're going to go straight into a forward rock and a half shuffle. Okay, so you go from chasse back rock straight into a forward rock. Ready, and side, close, side, back, rock, forward rock, half shuffle. Okay, let's go from chasse back rock to the right. Ready, and side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, and so on. Okay, so that's the link. Now let's go round the 4 walls without stopping. 5, 6, 7, and forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V steps, out, out, in, out, out, in, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V step, out, out, in, out, out, in, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, V steps, out, out, in, out, in, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, out, out, in, out, in, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, side, close, side, back, rock, side, close, side, back, rock.